to subscribe my channel and please hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystique Magic. So today I am going to review Pond's White Beauty BB Plus Fairness Cream. So before start my video, if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, then please subscribe it, and if you like this video then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and share with your all friends. So without further ado, let's get started. As we all know, BB or beauty benefit creams are quite popular these days. In this busy world, no one gets much time to spend on makeup. So here is a quick fix for this problem, a BB cream. It saves your time and efforts and give you a flawless smooth skin in no time. There are so many BB creams available in the market, but I choose the one that is suitable for my skin, which is Pond's BB cream, that give you flawless natural looking skin without spending huge amount on foundation. So it comes in a bright pink and silver cardboard box. It has written Pond's White Beauty BB Plus All-in-One BB Plus Fairness Cream SPF 30 PA++ Natural Cover with Gen White Cover Formula. Here is the instruction to use, warning, and ingredient list. All are mentioned. It contains 18 gram of product at rupees 160. As it comes in different quantities, so you can choose which size you want. The shelf life is 2 years from packaging. Inside it contains a thin white colored tube with silver cap. The packaging is very compact and quite travel friendly. So when we open it, it has a small nozzle, so you can take out your product very easily. The consistency of this product is quite thick and creamy, but it blends easily and you will not feel heavy at all. It has a mild powdery fragrance. I have oily skin, so this Pond's BB cream does not feel greasy on my skin. It gives me a matte look, and it not only even out my skin but also moisturize my skin, as it contains SPF 30 PA++, which protects my skin from harmful sun rays. You can use this cream on daily basis because it saves your time and money both that you spend on foundation. Just 2 simple steps and you ready to go. Just take small amount of cream, dab it on your face and blend it. It provides a good coverage and hide acne spot and light blemishes very nicely. So this Pond's BB cream is a savage for all the beauties who are lazy and not get much time to do their makeup, and also this is very good option for makeup beginners because they don't want to spend much in foundation. I will highly recommend this BB cream to everyone except dark skin tone beauties, as it comes only in one shade. That might be an issue for some dark skin tone beauties. This is the only con of this product, otherwise it's okay and I will definitely buy it again. So hope you love to watch this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any question do let me know in the comment box. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.